Hey guys, I wanted to show you my 1981 Fiat 124 Sport Spider, also known as the Fiat 124 Pininfarina Spider 2000. These vehicles ran from 1966 to 1985. They're back in production now as well, but that was the original running years of this vehicle. From 66 to 81, they came with a 1.6 liter carbureted engine. I believe the options were a 4-speed manual or a 3-speed automatic. From 81 to 85, they came with a inline 4 2-liter. I believe they say it has 1,995 cc's, so about 2,000 cc's. It comes with a 5-speed automatic. It's also available turbocharged and supercharged. Obviously this one is naturally aspirated. I got this vehicle from the original owner with a little over 38,000 miles on it. The paint on this specific one is all original. The leather is still original and in amazing condition. This cover back here that goes on the top, when the top is down, could be in better condition, but for a car this old, I'd say it's in pretty damn good condition. The battery gets stored back in the trunk inside this box. I don't really keep anything back here except for the car cover. Something might be in the way there. There we go. Got the Fiat badge, which could use a little bit of a polish. Right there says 2000 fuel injected. The chrome could definitely use a little bit of a shine up. Right there it also says Pininfarina Spider 2000. Wood grain dashboard, really classy looking vehicle, classy interior. I wanted to share this vehicle with my channel because I've had it for about over 2 years now. Actually, it's my dad's car, but I used to work at CarMax, and that's where I met the gentleman who was selling this vehicle. And now, after having it for this long and driving it, I can see why my dad wanted it. But when the gentleman came in, he wanted to sell it. I called my dad up, he came on down, and we purchased it from CarMax, who purchased it from him. I got all the paperwork of the maintenance records and everything that have been done by the last owner on this vehicle since he's owned it. Got the owner's manuals and everything. This is a very pristine condition 81 Fiat 124. Not many out there on the road like this, but there are still a handful out there. And for those owners who like to DIY their maintenance, there isn't a lot of info available on what kind of fluids to use, this, that, the other, that you can, information that you can find easily for newer cars. It is obviously still just a car, so it's not difficult to do. I've been a car guy my whole life, and I love working on cars, so I'll figure it out no problem. But for some people, this kind of work is a little nerve-wracking, so I'd like to figure it out, share these videos online, and just make it a little easier on them so they don't have to do all the research and whatnot themselves. So hopefully I could do the research and take all that heavy lifting out of the equation and just make it as easy as possible. So that's kind of my intention with sharing this car on the channel, is to just show other owners of these how easy it is to do the work and what they got to do. So as I said, this vehicle is all original. was something that slipped my mind. The last owner, and I couldn't tell you why, put these speakers on the doors and these in the back right there. I have no idea why. I don't even keep the radio in place. They have this little cover that you can put in when you take the radio out. That's what I have in place. And last year the ignition switch stopped working, so this one's brand new. I believe it's out of an alpha of the same, roughly the same year. So that is my car in a nutshell. I mean, this thing is clean. I love it. One of those, take it out on a nice sunny day, put the top down, and just enjoy a cruise type of cars. And it's been great, you know. So now that I finally have some time to get around to it, mess with it, and start making some videos and stuff, I'm gonna start doing some maintenance videos and hopefully show some people how easy it is to work on these cars yourself, or I mean any car in general. But I want to help out the community of owners of these and show them things that aren't extremely easily available online for some reason. Let me go ahead and start her up. So, a bit of a rough startup, but for as old as it is, I don't expect it to be perfect. And these flat tappet engines do tend to start up a little rough anyways, so you just got to give it a moment to warm up. But guys, if there's anything you can think of that I should post in relation to this car, please feel free to let me know down below in the comment section. Otherwise, hit the like button, subscribe, stay tuned for future videos. Till next time, guys. Peace.